Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my own pressed glitter. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So these are all the tools I'm going to be using for this project. I'm using the end of this eyebrow shaper to depot the old glitter. Then I'm going in with alcohol, 99% isopropyl, which the higher the percentage of the isopropyl, the better, because the quicker your glitter dries. And the next thing we're going in with is glycerin. These are my binding agents. So I'm just using the end of the eyebrow shaper to depot my products right now. And I'm going to be transferring them to a piece of tissue because they're not good. So enjoy! Guys, these glitters are so greasy. Oh my goodness. Right now I'm just going in with a piece of tissue to get out the excess glitter. Now we're following up with a Q-tip and some alcohol just to get any of the excess goop out of the corners, because I really don't want this trash in my new glitter. Talk about clean, you guys. I'm literally overkilling this. Literally, there cannot be any germs left back. Trust me. Bear with me, guys. I have a bit of a cold, so these are just a few of my favorite glitters that I'm going to be using. So if you guys have any other colors you may want to see me make or use, you can just leave that in the comment section down below. So you guys, I probably watched about a million videos on how to do this, but the one thing that I didn't get was a dropping tool, so don't mind my not so bougie getter setup. I'm supposed to go with 3 drops of glycerin followed by, I honestly don't remember how many drops of alcohol, but as you guys are gonna see, I am definitely going to flood the hell out of this glycerin. I'm going in with the end of my trusty crusty eyebrow shaper to mix my 2 binding agents. Now I'm following up with the glitter. I'm starting off with the gold. And this is taking a bit too long, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop it off. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to pour it over. And I need you guys to look at the freaking iris. Look at the freaking iris. Y'all girl was going in. I'm using this pan that pops out to make another glitter. Again, the measurements remain the same, 3 drops of glycerin to I don't know how many drops of alcohol. My cousin, Fidania, she actually suggested that I use the cap to make less of a mess. So thank you, Fidania, for that. And as you saw, I actually used a bit too much alcohol, which it's nothing new. So I had to follow up with a little bit more glycerin just to balance it out. I'm going in with this sexy pink glitter. Honestly, you guys, this is my all-time favorite glitter. I have used this one the most out of all my glitters. I just glitter with this niceness. And at this point, I remembered that I could zoom you guys in. Ooh, look at this niceness. Whoa. These are the 2 glitters after I let them sit for, I think, about 20 minutes. Now I'm just going in with the top of this other glitter and some tissue. And I'm going to use it as my pressing tool because it's not really pressed glitter until you press it. I let my glitters sit for 20 minutes, but I think you're actually supposed to let them sit for 2 hours. But oh my goodness, guys, I was tired. This green glitter I actually made off camera. I just thought you guys might want to see it. These are all the glitters I made. I will leave a link to everything I used down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share the love. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Mwah.